very good morning to my dear children. It is very useful for our video class, or you listen, or you finish the breakfast, because health is wealth. Health is last, everything last. So you take care for your health. Now the civics 9th standard lesson, unit 1. It is very boring like that, but it is very important. Now the topic is forms of government and democracy. Unit 1, forms of government and democracy. ஒவ்வொரு நாடும் இப்போ நமக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமாக செயல்படுவதற்கு என்ன காரணம்னா கவர்மெண்ட் ஃபார்மேஷன். அந்த அரசாங்க அமைப்பும் அதனுடைய கூடிய மக்களாட்சி, அதுதான் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் கவர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் டெமோக்ரஸி. There are 7 types. First one, aristocracy, which power is in the hands of small privileges than ruling class. Small privileges that are ruling class. Example, UK and Spain. Next, monarchy. It is in Tamil word Mudiyatchi, in which one person rule our country. Usually king or queen. It is example for Bhutan. And Oman, the monarchy ruling party, it is example the country Bhutan. And next, autocracy, a system of government by one person with absolute power. Only one person have absolute power. Then example, North Korea. Oligarchy is the 4th type. What is it? A small group of the people having control of a country. A small group of the people having control of a country. Example, China, because it is 7 form of government. Then 5th one, theocracy, a system of government in which religious doctrine. What is meant by religious doctrine? மத கொள்கை. Then headed by the priest. The religious head of the people is called a priest. He proclaimed himself as a god. So many priests proclaimed himself as a god. And example, Vatican City. Where is it? In Rome. Next, 6th type, democracy, a system in which eligible members in the population vote to the elected representative. Majority form the government. Those who are get a majority seat and form the government, Tamil Nadu. Then what of party ruling? ADMK, that is ruling our Tamil Nadu state, because he get a majority seat. Then 7th, last form of government, republic. Republic means supreme power held by the people and elected representatives, and which has been elected. And what is republic? It is coined in 500 BCE in Rome. Where is it coined by republic word? In Rome. It is derived from, then republica. What is the word derived from? The republic is derived from the word Latin word. What is the meaning? Public matter. These are the forms of government and democracy. How many types? Totally 7 types. 1. Aristocracy. 2. Monarchy. 3. Autocracy. 4th one, oligarchy. 5th one, theocracy. 6th one, democracy. 7th one, republic. Now, what is democracy? The democracy, the meaning, supreme power vested in the people of a country and elected the representatives either directly or indirectly. The representative elected either directly or indirectly. Only leaders elected by the people and form the government. Now, next slide heading, salient features of our government. Number 1, how that are representatives. The representatives of the people take final decision, making power through the representatives. Number 2, it was a free and fair elections, not controlled to one another. How the election formed? Through the free election. And number 3, the voting right. How do you call? The universal adult suffrage. How many years? 18 years. That is voting right. And next one, fundamental rights and protection of individual freedom. You know, the safe for each and every person. That is called a fundamental, the protection of individual freedom. And what is evaluation of democracy? In Tamil word, Parinama Valarchi. How? That first one, it was 2500 years in ancient Greece. Number 2, it was followed in India in early period. The period is called Vedic period. And then, you know, one of the great person that Chanakya, he was a great man in history. According to the historians, they give a great Chanakya. Why? He was wrote so many books, and main book, the Arthashastra. It tells us the ancient India, the basic unit for local government. And next, 4th one, the evaluation, later Chola period. In later Chola period, the system followed by Kudavolai system. It is very, very important and during ancient period to nowadays. And it gives equality and fraternity. And what are types? The types of democracy, direct and indirect. The people elected representative indirectly, it is called direct democracy. And direct, they express the view through the representative. Example, Greece and Switzerland. Indirect, the people in indirectly elected the representatives. The public affairs through the representative. Was not telling anything indirectly. And what are the democracy? Some merits and demerits. Now, what are the merits of democracy? Number 1, the people take responsible and accountable. You know, the people in one party against that opposition party, they take the responsibility. Then watching the government, how they running the government. So it is a main part for the opposition party then take care, more responsible. So first merit, responsible and accountable. Number 2, equality and fraternity. The rules follow equal in all are equal. And second, that fraternity, brotherhood policy. And responsibility among the people. More important, the people take responsibility. And local self-government and popular sovereignty. So, the first election was held in October 25th, 1951, and during the time in the election, the Congress party is more powerful. 495 out of 364, they got to win the power. So, the election, the first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. The democracy, Abraham Lincoln give one definition, the government of the people, by the people and for the people. மக்களால் மக்களுக்காக ஆளப்படும் ஆட்சிதான், that is called a democracy. You know that father of our nation, who is called father of our nation? Gandhiji. What was he did? The parliament, only the 20 members sit around, that is not a good ruling party. Only one man, that is a ruling, that is a great democracy. Who say this? அதாவது அடிமட்டத்தில் ஒருத்தர் மட்டும்தான் வில்லேஜில், அவங்க மட்டும்தான் இருப்பாங்க. அவங்கள மக்களோடு சேர்ந்து அந்த செய்கிற ஆட்சி தான் சிறந்த ஆட்சி அப்படின்னு then father of our nation, Gandhiji said. And election, that is a general election, so many changes. What are the major challenges of our democracy? Number 1, illiteracy. அவங்களுக்கு என்ன இருக்காது? They know how to read, how to write. That is first major challenges. Second, avoid poverty. Third one, general, that is generally gender discrimination. பொதுவா you are not of male or female, that is gender discrimination. And next one, regionalism, Pradivadat, then according to the caste and communalism. And corruption. The corruption, it is a very demerit of our country, not only in India, in a world level. So, that is a great changes, avoid corruption. And these are the main important challenges of democracy. Now, the government groups, second, democracy, how to elect, what is universal adult suffrage, and what are the major challenges in our country. That is a first lesson form of a government and democracy. Thank you, children. If you listen the class, I sent through the worksheet, you complete it. If you doubt, ask me, I will clear the doubt. That is, குருவை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கும் போது அந்த குரு ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மாணவர்களுக்கு தகுந்த நேரத்தில் அவங்களோட கரெக்ஷன் சொல்லி அவங்கள நல்வழி காட்டுவது மிகவும் முக்கியம். ஸோ மை டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இஃப் யூ டவுட், ask me and I clear the doubt for you. Thank you, children.